Let me show you how to make these salt and vinegar chips. It's very crunchy and very simple to make. Let me show you how to do this together with the sauce. First, you want to get your Irish potatoes just like this, and you can peel them with a knife or just do it as you see in this video. This is what we have, and this is the exact quantity I want to be making. Now what you have to do is to get your chopping board and then just slice these with your knife. You can use these to slice it, or if you have this potato slicer, just go ahead and use that. This is what we have, and we are going to continue with the rest, and we have just enough to go. Now pour some water over it and wash it thoroughly until everything is just clean. You make sure that you wash it several times until the water comes out very clean. The next thing to do is to get your white vinegar, which you'll be pouring on this just like this. Do not let it cover it too much because it's going to just sink into the vinegar. So you add some salt. Make sure you make the salt to just suit your preference. If you want it a bit salty, just go ahead and do that. Mix everything together and then leave it for about an hour or two. Okay, just leave it for about an hour or two, and after 1 hour and some few minutes, this is what we have right here. The next thing to do is to strain the vinegar solution from your potatoes. Now you have to get a kitchen towel to patch dry these. You want it to be dried, so just do it. As you can see, heat up some oil in the pan, and now go ahead and put this in it just like this. Just do this and fry this until it comes out very crunchy. I can't tell you to use about 1 minute or 2 minutes to fry this, so just do it until it comes out very crunchy. Now let's move on to our sauce, and to make the sauce, what we are going to do is to get our mayonnaise and scoop as much as you prefer, which you think will be okay for you. Just get some ketchup, as you can see in this video. Add your milk to this is evaporated milk right here, and then you add your soya pepper. You can add some white pepper or black pepper if you don't have soya pepper. Mix these until everything comes out very smooth, and you want to get a consistency like this. If today is your first time, please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe if you haven't done that yet. You can share to your friends and loved ones so they can also benefit from this video as well. Now our salt and vinegar chips is just ready, and this came out so crunchy and it tastes so good. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.